the girls they dance galala, but the students no cause casala. For this dance you don't do shagala. Oh yeah, like I do, like I do, like I do, like I like. To your hand, to the front, to the back.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Davido again. So Davido say he no know say our king, my people. He say he no know say our king nice like this. So he said the thing shocked Talize, and when he reach our palace for Edo, as he reach our palace, he don't go many king place, but this our own. He no know say he nice like this, you know. He say the way they receive everything. I also put the video, make una see him. He said the way they receive he no expect him at all. You know say our king nice like this. So you know say where you never go. Now I'm go to feel say our king no nice. Our king a very nice man. Very nice man. Then no nonsense man. And not they take nonsense from anybody. You understand? Very nice man. Man, not my way they talk for social media. They'll just come out, they spoil our king name. They know they fear. They go to talk anyhow. They talk with our king not be, especially that goat. You know the year of him again. I whether see their lives if now the goat come no. That what say they call him? Monkey face. We know the year of that one again now. You know. So our king is so nice. He's a very nice man. Davido say no expect the way they carry Choma go there, everything. He say he never know say our king na very great man like this and he nice like this, you know. So wanna watch for the video from the start to the end. Then you will see the video, you know. So our king not be person where they play. Anybody is free to go to palace, go there. Our king will receive you well. If they around, he will receive you. So the time where they take go, our king they do something that time, you know. They do a celebration. So Davido go there, go play, go pray homage to her, you know. So he with Choma was very happy. Even if I see when Davido they settle with Choma back, he changed like the happiness. You will see that happiness in him. He was really missing Choma. Now pretend he be just the more than not mad the car they work out for road, you know. He was really pretending like say no love Choma. He really loved Choma, eh? The way he can't take change, the way they do now, the happiness in him, my people, the happiness, the way he can't take the happy these days, eh? He shows say he really be the miss Choma. He was just pretending like seriously. He really missed Choma. Because the way they do these days, anywhere if they go now, with Choma 5 and 6, now they be now. Anywhere where they go, if you can go see Oni of Ife, you see can go there, go see him too. He just they carry Choma because he go soon do the marriage now. You understand? You know, say he talk and say 2023 now 2 of them. Hey, the 2 of the marriage. Me, I go back to go Nigeria. That marriage I must witness and with my eye. If I not witness, I'm waiting again. I must witness that marriage. Hey, the way Davido they happy these days, only God na can know. He's so happy, like it just be like who win lottery. In with Choma, even Choma, 2 of them be they miss each other. They were just pretending. They miss each other badly. Now pretend 2 of them be just there. Pretend 2 of them be there. The way which Davido say they do to Choma now these days, it really shows say he really be love Choma. Now just pretend he be just there by people, you know. So I will put the video, make una see. I'm gonna share around. Let the video go viral, my people. Let the video go viral. If you help us the share like this, hey, the YouTube go dey go well, you understand? But if we not dey see share like this, the thing go dey pain us for body, you know. So only the favor one I go dey do for us is just to share the video so that people go dey see. And so I go dey bring many updates come for wetin dey happen. You understand? Many updates go dey come. So make would help me to share the one I don't see now, people. Please help me to share. Bye everybody. Let me put the video. Bye.
Touchdown. I beg any do that.
Davido, the great musician, the great singer. You're welcome. This is my eldest child, my eldest daughter and eldest child. He's a lawyer. Today, spending years in the sense of playing. You know, that's why I don't like to fly.
Just from 1 to 3, then you start kissing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Juju the kiss. Shut down. We start from 18. 18 children, 17 children, 16 children. No, just when you reach the number, you move. Don't move here too. Just so you know, the drinks coming to your tables right now, well packaged, traditional, and contemporary, is for not among those that will pick the money. Do not pick. If you pick the money, we'll pick you. Be very careful. And also, before you come out to spray, check under your shoes if you have stepped on a chewing gum.
If I ever leave her, whether I can leave her, go far away, far away.
Hey.